How to avoid weight gain after knee surgery. Recovering from knee surgery can be a challenging process. While the focus is often on regaining mobility, it's also important to prevent weight gain during recovery. Reduced physical activity can lead to weight gain, which can slow down healing and cause additional problems. Here are 10 simple ways to avoid weight gain after knee surgery. 1. Eat a balanced diet. A healthy diet is crucial during recovery. Focus on lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables. Avoid processed foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats, as they can lead to weight gain and inflammation. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking water helps with digestion, reduces bloating, and can curb unnecessary snacking. Sometimes, thirst is mistaken for hunger, so staying hydrated can prevent overeating. 3. Control portion sizes. With reduced activity, your caloric needs are lower. Pay attention to portion sizes and avoid eating more than necessary. Smaller meals throughout the day can help keep your metabolism active. 4. Exercise gently. Low-impact activities like swimming, cycling, or walking can be great for weight management and recovery. Even light stretching or seated exercises can help keep your metabolism active and prevent muscle loss. 5. Strength training. Although heavy exercises may not be possible, gentle strength training for your upper body and unaffected leg can prevent muscle loss and keep your metabolism up. 6. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is key to both recovery and weight control. Lack of sleep can increase hunger and cravings, making it harder to manage your weight. 7. Track your calories. Monitor your food intake to ensure you're not overeating. Using a food diary or app can help you stay on track with your calorie consumption. 8. Avoid emotional eating. Recovery can be emotionally challenging, and stress may lead to overeating. Find healthy ways to manage emotions, such as meditation or talking to someone. 9. Eat anti-inflammatory foods. Foods like fatty fish, turmeric, and berries can reduce inflammation, support healing, and help keep your weight in check. 10. Consult a dietitian. A nutrition expert can help you create a personalized eating plan that supports your recovery and helps prevent weight gain. By following these simple tips, you can manage your weight during recovery and speed up the healing process. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any major changes. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.